Okay, welcome to part 4 of the calorimetry lab. We're going to look at the heat released or absorbed when a salt dissolves in water. And so we're going to use, for this recorded data, we'll use lithium chloride. And we're actually going to do this 4 different times. We'll do this with 3 grams, 6 grams, 9 grams, and 12 grams of lithium chloride so that we can look at some values and some ratios and see what the difference is between them, and hopefully kind of wrap our brains around this concept of enthalpy a little bit more. So I'm going to measure out 100 milliliters of water 4 times, and then I'm going to measure out lithium chloride 4 times and go 3, 6, 9, and 12 grams or something close to that. So here we go. Okay, we are ready to do this. So let's set up our calorimeter on top of our stir plate. Okay, so our little calorimeter setup is ready to go. We are ready to put in the lithium chloride. We're going to get initial temperatures of our water. So every amount of water I measured to be exactly 100 milliliters. Air would come from water remaining in the graduated cylinder, water remaining in the beaker, or anything that I spill. But you can record the volume of all four water as 100.0 milliliters. And then the masses of lithium chloride that we're going to put in, I had exactly 3.0, 6.0, 9.0, 12.0. Okay, so initial temperature for the first amount of water is 22 degrees Celsius. So let's put in this lithium chloride and see where we end up. Here we go. We're going to record the highest possible temperature. So that's at 27.9 degrees Celsius right now. Oop, and still moving. 28 degrees Celsius. We'll wait until it starts to drop just a hair, and then we'll call that the maximum temperature. Okay, so temperature for that first one reached 28 degrees Celsius. Temperature final. Now we rinse and repeat. by rinsing your calorimeter in your setup, the cup, the magnet, the temperature, the thermometer, not only are you getting the excess lithium chloride out of there, but you're also resetting the temperature to whatever the temperature of the tap water is, which will help our temperature kind of find its normal a little bit faster. All right, we want an initial temperature on this one, and we will repeat. Looks like the initial temperature is the same, 22 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to put in our 6 grams of lithium chloride. All right, temperature's at 32 right now, and climbing a little bit. I would call that 32.5. All right, we're going to call that final temperature 32.7 degrees Celsius. Rinse, repeat. And 9 grams. Initial temperature at 22. That's been pretty consistent. So you can see there's just a little bit of lithium chloride left on all of these. That's going to be sources of error for sure. But we don't want to rinse it off with our rinse bottle because we'd be adding water, which would throw off our mass of water. Okay, maximum temperature here. We are at 37, almost 38. Let's see if it goes a little bit higher. Okay, I'm going to call that 37.9. Final temperature there is 37.9. One last time. All right, initial temperature of the water. It's going to be 22.0. Let's put this lithium chloride in. This is the 12 grams. Hey, I'm recording, FYI. Okay, and we'll look for a maximum temperature here, and that will be our data. So right now it's at 42 and climbing. $42.5. Okay, we'll call that 42.9 degrees Celsius. And that's your data for part 4.